My name is Tom Kraeutler. I host a nationally syndicated radio show and podcast called The Money Pit. This house is about 16 to 17 years old. The roof is starting to dry out. It's starting to see some granule loss, some small fissuring, some cracking in the shingles, and it's lost its flexibility. And I was very impressed when I started looking into Roof Maxx. You know, after 20 years as a home inspector, I've seen a lot of other treatments for roofs, and I've never seen one that actually works with the chemistry of the roof shingle like this does.
Today we're down here in Poinciana, which is a suburb just south of Kissimmee here in Orlando. We're here working on this roof. Tom's had 20 plus years of service and helping out homeowners from home improvement, any type of issues. He was concerned about the roof here. We got out here to the home, took an honest assessment of the roof and its condition, and found that Roof Maxx is going to be a fantastic fit. This roof had some minor issues, some seal tabs that were starting to go ahead and fail. Obviously, it started to go ahead and show signs of aging.
When this house was put on the market, the realtors that we spoke to all told us that because it was an older roof, that most new home buyers are going to want a brand new roof, which is really a $15,000 to $20,000 cost, which is a lot of money for a small home like this. We had it inspected once, and the inspector told us that he could see the early signs of failure. So we felt that given the fact that it was starting to show its sign of age, we decided to treat it with Roof Maxx. We're going to have it inspected by a licensed Florida building inspector who we hope will issue a certification that's required around here for insurance to be issued on the home that will say it's going to last at least 5+ years.
I'm the owner of ProInspect Solutions. We're a multi-firm inspection company that provides home inspections as well as commercial inspections. It's my job as an inspector to come out to assess the roof in its condition, to ensure that there's no missing shingles, there's no damage, there's no form of excessive granule loss.
We actually came out here 2 days ago, treated half of the roof with Roof Maxx, and the other half is what the original condition was, to go ahead and show it before and after so everybody has an opportunity to see. But once we get done with this roof, it'll be good to go for another 5 years. We're able to get all of the oils back into the roof, penetrate down deep all the way to the seal tabs, and the roof now is in fantastic condition.
After Roof Maxx was applied, I noticed a tremendous difference. I saw the before, I saw the after. I walked on the roof, noticed that the granules were not lost, they were intact. My feet was actually sticking to the actual shingles as I walked, which means that it has very good grip behind the granules. Even the color change, I noticed that the older shingles were faded compared to when the Roof Maxx was applied, so they enhanced the coloration inside the actual shingles itself too.
This roof most definitely will go ahead and pass inspection today, and it will have at least another 5 years. Having a 5-year flexibility warranty and certification on top of this roof and putting it into a good condition will give peace of mind to buyers, and it will help amplify the sale because the roof is obviously one of the biggest components of what a buyer is looking for.
I was really impressed by the product. I saw it as a really good alternative to roof replacement at a small fraction of the cost.
If you're in need of a roof replacement, before you do that, consider Roof Maxx as another option to help save you money, help save you time, and save you the headache of insurance problems.